Got the whiteys on. How do you clean out your Monte Carlo? Whoopsie. So I got the old house carpet out of there. Just trying to get some of the loose filth out of it. One spot there. Rest of it, not so bad. That don't bother me one bit. Does it bother you? Woo. Whitey's looking fresh. Cleaned up the old junk 307. Why not? I gotta get it to turn. Gonna have to get the torque converter bolts out. How will I do that? I don't know how clean this frame is. Look at that. For a main vehicle, not so bad. Who's got the parts I need? Someone's got them out there. Come on. We don't need no stinking taillights. Get it running. Drive it. Don't need no interior. So, obviously there's something going on this side where this fender is way out of line. Door doesn't shut. And we're missing bolts. So I got a few more stories out of some locals. Guy that I'm friends with used to run around with the guy that owned this, and he said that guy whacked a pole in the front, but not hard enough to mess anything serious up. Just took the fender out and door and header panel. So put it all on from another car, but did it in a rush. Obviously, everything's loose, not lined up right, so no big deal. And you know about the 307. So, I mean, look at this glass. It's not broken. Windshield, nice. T-tops survived for years. Rear window did not. The last straw, this kid threw a brick through the window. Last straw for him. Time to get rid of it. It's got the stance. It's already tipping to the right like it's taken off. Got the posy under there, the sway bar. Oh yeah. Trunk shuts now. Just little improvements, you know. Oh boy. Look at this junk. I got the crumbs. Gotta pick up the crumbs. No lie, heaviest boiler I've ever picked up. I didn't pick it up, but I picked it up. Put in with a tractor. Crumbs of a 2008 GMC. Everything's gone. Take away my garbage. That's what I do. Whoops. Mystery Turbo 400 from the RV going to the scrapyard. Don't want it. Keystones, the lovely keystones, they're gone. Yep, gone. Breathing heavy. Stop breathing heavy in the camera. Don't like that noise. out of the rain. Let's see what we got here for the crumbs. $121. Light tin iron mixed. 3,400 pounds. The leftovers of the truck with a big boiler and water tank. Couple batteries, $9.30. Rotors, 180 a ton for them. 172 pounds for $15.48. Irony aluminum is 15 cents a pound. 188 pounds is that Turbo 400. So there you go. You get $28.20 for a Turbo 400. 4 Jeep aluminum wheels, 78 pounds, 85 cents a pound. $66.30. Aluminum wheels are good. Want to get some of them. And then the rest, number one prepared. £580 net, 130 a ton at $37.70. Grand total, $278.08. Not too bad for just gathering the crumbs.